Move. We're trying to go for a walk, but it's raining and someone doesn't seem so sad. This is a sign. We cannot go for a walk. I mean, look at that. It's so windy. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. So mad, so angry. Lightning struck, and I was very, very scared. Those are lightning. The one just happened one of those places.
Red one.
The red ones. Our son has a new typewriter. If you hear,
it goes considerably worse than I haven't typed and I haven't put in the paper. You hear that?
I don't know the difference. He has a new typewriter, so this is.
And when I put in the paper. When I put in